Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need admin access and an active Bluetooth adapter. Open Settings now. Once Settings is open, go directly to Personalization, then Taskbar. Make sure Quick Settings or System icons are accessible. You're starting the interface changes. If taskbar settings look different, switch to the correct view. You're doing this so Windows shows the Bluetooth icon rather than hiding it. Keeping the adapter enabled prevents the icon from disappearing again. Now proceed to customize which icons appear. Once in Taskbar settings, scroll to the Taskbar corner overflow or System, Tray area and select which icons appear. Turn the Bluetooth switch on. You're telling Windows to pin the icon to the tray. If Bluetooth isn't listed, go to Devices Bluetooth and Other Devices to confirm Windows detects the adapter. Make sure Bluetooth is set to discoverable briefly so the OS registers it. These steps recreate the visible icon rather than relying on it. After enabling the icon, restart Explorer using Task Manager to refresh the tray. You'll often see the icon appear immediately. If it still fails, update or reinstall the Bluetooth driver in Device Manager so Windows can present the UI option. Make sure Windows is up to date and run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter if problems persist. If nothing works, reboot the PC. A full restart clears driver and service states and usually restores the icon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.